Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change Strava to miles. First, make sure you have Strava app installed on your phone, and then once you have installed the app, just go ahead and open the Strava app, and you will land in this interface. Now tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here you will see a gear icon at the top right. So just go ahead and click on the gear icon. And here from the settings menu, scroll down and look for display section. So just go ahead and find display, and here it is. Just go ahead and click on display and you will see unit of measure. So just go ahead and click on unit of measure and you will see two options, which are metric and imperial. So if you select metric, Strava will show distance in kilometer, and if you select imperial, Strava will show distance in miles. So as we want to change our distance to miles, we will just go ahead and set it to imperial, just like so. And once that you have done that, you may need to refresh or reopen the app to see the updated units. And that's it. We just learned how to change the Strava between miles and kilometer by adjusting the unit of measure in the settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.